Guys, take a look from the brand Blitz. Ito yung protein man. Wala ka nang gagawin. Di mo na titimplahin. Wala ka nang gagawin. Rekta kain ka na lang agad. And at the same time, so far out of all the protein bars na natry ko, masarap. Palatable for Pinoy flavor siya. At the same time, what I love about it, may oats na yan, so it contains good amount of dietary fiber, which is good for the guts. If you're feeling bloated, makakatulong din siya. At the same time, high in protein. No, may mga protein bars kasi they are claiming protein bars sila. Pero sa totoo, 3 grams lang yung protein. Anong gagawin ko dyan? Magmamilo na lang ako para by this time, 21 grams of protein, 195 grams of calories. Itong isa, 21 grams of protein, 210 grams of calories. If you put it into perspective, no, if we compute ang ideal protein kasi to calorie ratio is at least every 10 grams ng calories, meron kang 1 gram of protein. So, this one, pasok na pasok. I can consider this a protein bar. Dalawang flavors available. Meron yung white chocolate, tapos yung chocolate nila. No, I love this better. Sakto lang yung tamis. At the same time, mas ramdam ko yung flavors. If you love chocolate, magugustuhan mo naman to for sure. So, kung naghahanap ka ng snack, healthy pa rin, hindi ka maliligaw ng landas pagdating sa fitness journey mo, ito na yon, on the go, pasok. So, shout out to Blitz. Yung isang box na ganito is 10 pieces. So, naka-box na siya. And you have some background sa Blitz, na letter, a letter from the owner, and some stickers. May kasama na rin. Okay? Value for money pagdating sa protein bar category. Ito na siguro yung mura talaga. At the same time, quality. Ilalagay natin yung link ng product na to dito sa video. I-check mo na lang. Ako, vanilla ako. Ikaw, ano ka? Ilalagay ko. I-check mo yung yellow basket. Nakikita mo, by the way, we sell a lot of supplements. We have mass, we have whey protein and everything. Healthy Cortex here. Make sure you follow. Kita-kita tayo sa live stream. So you have a great day. Peace!